Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a flip through of a handmade journal. It has a fabric. It is a hardcover journal because it was a book. So I used a book to create a journal, took out the pages, but it has fabric on the outside. Just going to show you the front. This is the side, and this is the back. And this is a vintage, I think it's a little tablecloth, something like that. And I have a video where I work on the cover, and it has a tassel with lots of goodies. A closure that is underneath, so it's underneath the front and the back panel. It has two inserts, inserts. This is the front piece, and this is the back piece. It has laces over here, laces over here, laces over here, and like I said, it has two signatures. It has an elastic binding, so you can take papers out. And I'm first going to show you the first insert that has like a sort of floating belly band. It has a pencil and a, how is this called? Vellum paper bag. I don't know for sure how it's called. I forgot. I don't know the name anymore. I'm so sorry. But it has the pen. It is writing. You can take this off the paper. It has a pocket here. It has a pocket here, and there is an envelope over here. And there's also a little pocket here. The envelope is just tucked behind, as you can see. And I noticed there was a little rip over here, so I glued on the paper hoarders tape set number 1, a piece of that, so it's fixed and it goes with the journal. It's a vellum pocket with 2 tags, another vellum pocket with a library card, and this is just a small book page that I decorated and sewn over. Maybe I didn't do that. No, I didn't do that. This was gifted to me, but it's in the journal now. This is not my work. I'm so sorry. This is my work. I made all the papers, the design papers. Herbal papers, ledger, book paper. Then we have this piece. We have a corset tag with another tag inside. This is a envelope pocket thingy. And the reason why this goes so odd is because my nails hurt like crazy again at the moment, so bear with me. These were from the Valentine's challenge. Vintage paper, lace, doily, book paper, ledger. This is also from the Valentine challenge we did with the ladies from the Facebook group and the design team. So the admins and the design team. I'm just going to show you all the papers that are in. This is in, stitched, inked. Another envelope over here, sewn with some edging. Beautiful paper. Herbal paper, floral paper. Another pocket with a, I'm not sure, no, it's not a belly band. I thought it was. And this is actually made from paper, but it looks like metal, but it's not. And we have this paper. So this is the first one. Then we have the second one over here. Love this one. Love this one too. Beautiful papers. Dutch book paper. I think this is also Dutch. Yes. Then we have a pocket here with 1, 2, 3 little tags, music paper, a flip out thingy, beautiful paper. I really like this. The doily, ledger, book pages, Dutch. They are Dutch. Printables. I think this was gifted by Desa and Steny. Stacy and Dana. Then I have this vellum envelope, and it's just tucked in here. A vellum pocket with lace. Just a card and 2 tags to go in here. Maybe I should put this in here too. Yeah, that could work. More book pages, more pages from the kit. Music paper, ledger. This is all with blues. And they tuck in here. And you can take this out. Oh, I need to glue this a little bit together. One moment. So, more ledger, more music paper. From the kit. Dictionary page. Vellum. The vellum is attached onto here. So it's not on both sides. There is an envelope over here. And more florals, book paper, ledger, more music paper. Again, this is also from the Valentine's challenges we did. And this is the final piece, back side. Well, the back inside cover of the back side cover. And yeah, this is the front. Now, and yeah, you keep an eye out there for the post. And oh, sorry, I need to tie it together. Well, I can tie it a little bit closer, but like I said, this will be for sale tomorrow. And I also have a extra package. If the whole thing is sold out, there will be something extra from me. But keep an eye on the post where we announce the sale. But yeah, it's handmade. It has vintage papers. It has Dutch elements. It has my designs in there, my kit papers. And I absolutely love this dangle piece with the bells. They make a lot of noise. So if you are interested, go over to Sister Jam and yeah, look out for the post where we announce this journal. I hope you liked the flip through. If you did, maybe you want to leave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber. You can also join my Facebook group, LineDotArrow, and together with Sister Jam and Sophie's Crafty Corner, we do challenges every month I have free papers every month in the Facebook group. Well, basically every week. We do a lot of giveaways, we do a lot of fun stuff. There will be pop-up challenges every now and then. We try to inspire each other and just have fun crafting, making journals, or ask questions. Well, anything is possible in all 3 groups. But this is it for today. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.